This video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox error code 260 in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your Roblox server status. Go to status.roblox.com and see if all systems are operational. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check your internet connection because a weak or unstable connection can cause this problem. Restart your modem or router and try again. Also, try restarting your device because restarting clears temporary glitches and connection issues. You can also try turning off your device, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and reset your network settings, and it can fix IP conflicts and network problems. If you have any kind of VPNs or proxy enabled, simply go ahead and disable those and allow Roblox through the firewall or antivirus. You can also simply go ahead and go to CMD as admin and simply write ipconfig /flushdns, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.